Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Devi Sundar and I'm the founder and director of Mind Body Synergy CIC. I work at the intersection of well-being, breath awareness and creative expression, supporting people to reconnect with themselves through mindful practices that nurture their mental and emotional health. You can call me Devi. I'm really looking forward to welcoming you for the special event, Take a Breath, taking place on this 21st March at the Kingsway Community Hall from 12 to 4 p.m. This gathering has been created as a gentle space for pause, reflection, and creativity. Breath plays an important role in this process. Our breath is a bridge between our body and mind. When we are aware of our breathing, we naturally begin to slow down, regulate our emotions, and create a sense of balance within ourselves. Our breath also supports voice and sound, helping us to connect more deeply with our natural rhythm and expression. Music, art, and sound for me are a powerful expression of healing. They allow us to connect with our emotions that are more difficult to put in words. Music has the ability to calm the nervous system, open a heart, and bring people together in a moment of presence. During this session, I look forward to guide you with my breath awareness practice, followed by breath-inspired creative art and a deeply relaxing sound bowl meditation. These practices are gentle and accessible to everyone. The intention of the session is to create that calm and supportive space where you can pause, breathe, explore creativity, and reconnect with your inner sense of well-being. Alongside these experiences, you will also be enjoying contributions from other artists through music, singing, and dance, making this afternoon a truly enriching and uplifting experience for you. Now, you'll hear directly from the artists what they are going to offer you in this session.
Hello everyone, I am DJ Sanj and I'm really excited to be part of the Take a Breath community event happening in Gloucester. For me, music is more than sound. It's a powerful connection between breath, rhythm, and the movement. Before every show, I pause, breathe, and allow the music to flow naturally. At Take a Breath, we will explore how breath, music, movement, and visual art come together to create a calming and immersive experience. So join us, take a breath, and let the rhythm move you. I look forward to see you there. Bye.
Hello, my name is Shobha. I'm the founder and director of Saswara Music Academy UK, which is affiliated with the Oriental Fine Arts Academy London. I also serve as an examiner for both Bharatanatyam and Carnatic music. I've been trained in Vedic hymns, and some of my audio cassettes are still available to buy in the UK and across the world. I've also performed in a number of cultural events and been featured in the media over the years. For me, music is not just about learning notes, it's about expression, connection, and inner calm. Breath plays a very important role in Carnatic singing. It supports the voice, shapes the sound, and helps us stay centered and present while we sing. In this session for the Take a Breath community, we will gently explore how breath and sound come together in Carnatic music. We will begin with simple humming to feel the vibration in the body and then move into slow, breath-based Sarali Varisai exercises. The focus will be on allowing the breath to guide the sound naturally. I truly enjoy teaching music and making it fun, engaging, and accessible for both children and adults so that learning becomes a joyful experience. I look forward to your participation in the event, which is Take a Breath on the 21st of this month between 12 and 4 p.m. and I hope you enjoy this session thoroughly. Thank you.
Hi, this is Malavika. I'm so excited to meet you all on the 21st of March at Take a Breath event hosted by Mind Body Synergy CIC. I will be there to talk about an art form that shaped my life in a profound way, Bharatanatyam. I'm a Bharatanatyam practitioner, performer, teacher, examiner, and a choreographer. I was so fortunate to have been able to begin learning this beautiful art form at the age of 6. From my very first steps to performing on stage and later guiding my own students, Bharatanatyam has been more than just a discipline, it's been a way of life. Every time I perform and I see my students perform across various events in Gloucester, I silently count my blessings for having this art form so deeply rooted within me. Bharatanatyam is one of India's oldest traditional dances, which is just not movements set to music. It is precision, grace, rhythm, storytelling, and discipline. It's a complete union of mind, body, and soul. One of the very important aspects I would like to share with you at the event is the importance of breathing, because behind intricate footwork and expressive gestures lies conscious breathing. Proper breathing supports stamina, balance, control, and fluid movements, allowing the body to move with ease rather than with resistance. Beyond physical fitness, Bharatanatyam sharpens concentration, builds emotional awareness, and nurtures confidence. Now, what is interesting is this art form is for all ages. It offers discipline for children, strength and grace for adults, and to everyone, a deeper connection to art and to oneself. So I invite you to attend this event, not just to listen to me speak about Bharatanatyam, but also to try out yourself. Come and try some adabas with us, which we call the building blocks. Explore some hastas, which are hand gestures, and learn few abhinayas, they are facial expressions, through conscious breathing. See you there.
Hi, I'm really looking forward to Breath on the 21st of March. It's going to be such a gorgeous afternoon. I'm Elena Sue, founder of Niio Dance for new, integrated and inspired openings, and I'm offering a somatic dance session. So just very briefly, I have danced all my life. It's been my first love. I started off with ballet, then I decided I wasn't good enough. I gave it up. And then I've rediscovered dance in a whole new way in my adult life, in a way that's given me guidance, it's supported me, and I've been so fascinated by it that I had to go deeper, and I ended up studying for a master's in dance and somatic well-being. So what is somatics? Somatics is about our whole mind and body connection. Our soma is our physical, our mental, our emotional, and our spiritual body. And we need all of these layers of us to be well. Now, our breath connects us to everything. It connects us to all these layers of ourselves. It's the first point of connection between us and the outside world. It's the first thing that happens when you pop out of your mum's womb. It connects us to our body. And when we move with our breath, with intention, amazing things can happen. Now, if you've ever struggled with sitting meditation and you get fidgety, you get bored, when you move, your brain waves will, just like in meditation, drop down into alpha theta state, which is like a dream-like state. When you start to move and your brain waves drop down, you drop out of that anxious state. You come into a more mindful, creative state through movement, through intentional guided movement. Call it somatic dance because it's all a dance, but it's not dance in the traditional sense. There are no steps to learn, you can't get it wrong. It's all about listening in to what you need, what your body needs in the moment, and listening in to your own inner guidance. When we drop into our bodies in this way, we can access new clarity. We can access and discover new energy. Our brainwaves, because they drop into a different state, new thoughts bubble up from our subconscious, new ideas that we hadn't realized, new inspirations. And because we are moving and allowing new movement in ways that we don't normally move, rather than just doing what you always do, it opens up the brainwaves. Okay, it helps your mind literally to grow. It keeps you young. So looking forward to sharing this session with you. See you soon.
I will promise this event is going to be a moment to slow down, reconnect with your breath, experience creativity and sound in a peaceful environment. We would love to have you join us. Thank you, and I look forward to sharing this afternoon with you.